Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Priority Pass card to your Apple Wallet. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to have your Priority Pass card added to your Apple Wallet so that you can get into airport lounges. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? So the first thing that you need to do is download the Priority Pass app, which looks like this. Once you download the app, you want to go ahead and log in. And then once you log in, what you'll be able to do next is that you could actually go ahead and add your card to your Apple Wallet. So on this page here, just simply click on card on the bottom hand corner and then click on add to Apple Wallet. Once you click on that, just simply click on add on the upper right hand corner and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your Priority Pass card to your Apple Wallet. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.